there, it's Ashley from WTI. If you are looking for a monitor riser, then I would highly recommend this one from Beimu. I absolutely love it. It's a premium acrylic. It gives a nice sleek look to my desk. It's very stylish. Secondly, I love the fact that my monitor is now lifted up and on the riser because I find myself sitting up straighter, more erect, and it's really made a big difference in the way that I work and the way that I'm sitting in my chair, and I just feel better all around. Secondly, this has a second shelf here, so great for organization. I have a small desk. I don't have a lot of room to put things, and so the fact that I can now have space for my phone, my pens, my sticky notes, I pull this out, I'll put a drink on here. And thirdly, this has a phone storage with a space in here to put your charger. That's genius. It's awesome. This is a quality product. You don't have to worry about the weight of your monitor. It is very durable, very thick. It was easy to put together, and I have had no issues with this. I couldn't recommend it enough. It is really going to make a big difference in the way that you work, but that is just my point of view.